In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sheets in Canva. If you're planning a budget, organizing a schedule, or tracking something simple, Canva's Sheets feature gives you a clean, visual way to build it without needing a complex spreadsheet program. I'll walk you through the process from the moment you're on the main dashboard, and I'll share helpful tips so you feel confident designing right away. Start on the main dashboard of Canva. This is the home screen you see when you first open Canva, where your recent designs and recommended options appear. From here, look to the top left and click the Create button. Depending on your screen size, it might say Create or Create a Design, but it will be in that top left area. If your browser window is narrow, widen it slightly so the button is easier to find. After you click Create, you'll see a panel with different design types. In that list, select Sheets. Choosing Sheets tells Canva you want a grid-based project that's great for planning, tracking, and organizing information in rows and columns. It keeps everything clean and structured, while still letting you style it like any other Canva design. Once you're in the Sheets area, you have two paths. You can choose a ready-made template, or you can start from an empty template. Templates are great when you want a head start. Think budgets, habit trackers, project planners, and more. They come pre-formatted with layouts, fonts, and colors you can adjust to fit your style. If you prefer full control, pick the empty template. That blank canvas gives you freedom to set up your own headings, column widths, and visual style from scratch. After you select a template or the empty option, Canva will create a new project automatically. This opens the editor where you can design your sheet. You'll notice a familiar toolbar and the left side panel for elements, text, and styles. Even though it's a sheet, you can still make it look polished by adjusting colors, fonts, and spacing to keep your information readable. Use clear headings, keep consistent alignment, and leave some white space so your sheet doesn't feel crowded. If you plan to reuse the layout, consider keeping your design minimal so it's easy to update later. That's all there is to it. From the dashboard, click Create, pick Sheets, choose a template or an empty page, and your project is ready for you to design. Take a moment to explore the editor and fine-tune the look, so your sheet not only works well, but looks professional too.